In this video, we are going to talk about American actress Jennifer Lopez. We will know about her biography, life story, lifestyle, boyfriend, husband, income, house, net worth, relationship, education, qualification, and many more about her personal life. Jennifer Lynn Lopez, born July 24, 1969. Often nicknamed J-Lo, is an American actress, singer, record producer, dancer, fashion designer, and television producer. She is the richest person of Latin American descent in Hollywood according to Forbes and is ranked as the most influential Hispanic entertainer in the United States according to People en Español's 100 Most Influential Hispanics. Lopez began her career as a dancer on the television comedy show In Living Color. Lopez later moved into acting with Selena, 1997, Out of Sight, 1998, and Angel Eyes, 2001, for all of which she won an Alma Award for Outstanding Actress. She also starred in The Cell, 2000, The Wedding Planner, 2001, Made in Manhattan, 2002, Shall We Dance, 2004, and Monster-in-Law, 2005. She invested her media popularity more profitably in the fashion business and through celebrity endorsements for various perfumes. In 1999, Lopez released her debut studio album, On the Six. She followed this with two Billboard 200 top charting albums, J-Lo, 2001, and J to the L.O., The Remixes, 2002. Her third studio album, This Is Me, then 2002, as well as her fourth studio album, Rebirth, 2005, reached the second spot on the Billboard 200. In 2007, Lopez released two albums. Her first entirely Spanish-language album, Como Ama Una Mujer, and her fifth English-language studio album, Brave. She won the 2003 American Music Award for Favorite Pop Rock Female Artist and the 2007 American Music Award for Favorite Latin Artist. She has sold over 70 million albums worldwide. Jennifer Lopez was born in the South Bronx, New York, to Puerto Rican parents Guadalupe Rodriguez, a kindergarten teacher, and David Lopez, a computer specialist. 4. She has two sisters, Linda and Leslie. Lopez spent her entire educational life in Catholic schools and finished her education at Preston High School for girls in the Bronx. She began taking her own singing and dancing lessons at age 19. After attending a semester at Baruch College, Lopez spent time working in a law office, taking dance classes, and performing in Manhattan nightclubs. She had a small role in the 1987 film My Little Girl. After months of auditioning for dance roles, Lopez was cast as a dancer in various rap music videos, including an episode of Yo! MTV Raps in 1990 and a backup dancer for New Kids on the Block and their performance of their song Games at the American Music Awards in 1991. She landed her first regular high-profile job in 1990 as a fly girl dancer on the TV comedy show In Living Color. Soon after, Lopez became a backup dancer for Janet Jackson and appeared in the 1993 video That's the Way Love Goes. American actress, dancer, and singer Jennifer Lopez has faced many struggles in her life. These include her childhood struggles, marriage-divorce challenges, and problems like panic attacks. Story of Jennifer Lopez's struggles. Her parents got divorced, after which she had to face severe financial crisis. She had to spend days wearing torn shoes. She also had to deal with the problem of panic attacks. She had to face the challenges of marriage divorce. She had to struggle with the emotions related to her relationship. Forgetting the past was very challenging. Jennifer Lopez has taken many steps to deal with her struggles, such as joining the campaign to promote vaccination for whooping cough. She also worked to raise awareness about this disease through campaigns like Sounds of Pertussis and March of Dimes.